Can I ask you something? Be honest. How much would someone have to pay to have sex with you? 10,000? You don't have to say it out loud. But be honest. What is your price? What if it is more money than you would earn in the course of a year? 5 years. What if it covered your tuition? Or paid for the operation that would save your mum's life? What if they are handsome? Incredibly handsome. What if he is the guy you would want anyway? What if you just love sex? And most importantly, what if nobody would know?
Honey, remember it is us who shagged them. And it is never us who are shagged by them.